Well, after hating wiring things for a little while, I have a little project that I have finished. But I also just like to kind of admire this thing in this evening streetlight glow because I think this is the time it looks best. But you'll notice the taillights look absolutely stock. Combined brake turn signal with a reverse light. You'll notice that there's nothing abnormal about the blinking. Front is just normal. For those of you who don't know, this is correct. The outer one isn't supposed to light up. But then when we get back here is where things get a little interesting. I'm not actually sure that the camera is accurately picking up the sequence, but that is a sequenced 3-section turn signal. So I used a red-white switchback LED in the reverse light, and just normal LED replacements in the other 2 sections, and had to reasonably extensively rewire it. Almost none of the original wires go to the original places in that housing now. I have it set up so that for the tail light it looks completely unmodified, which also helps because the intensity of the used to be reverse light well, the camera's picking it up better now. So the intensity of the reverse light being added in on the mix is helpful, I think. And then, so the car's maybe slightly on a slope, so I'm not sure exactly what'll happen, but yeah, it's rolling. In reverse. Those are at least as bright, if not brighter, than the incandescents were. The turn signal still works, but the first section of the sequence doesn't happen because it's the red that isn't lighting up. But gotta say, pretty pleased with how that came out.